In this WP Profiler review, I'm going to be showing you a software that with just 3 simple steps could instantly boost your WordPress blog speed by up to 500%. And make sure you stay into the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out WP Profiler, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, tired of writing post after post only to have Google ignore your blog? These 3 simple steps could instantly boost your WordPress blog speed by up to 500%. Faster site equals higher rank, more traffic, and return visitors. So essentially, this is a way of taking a website that maybe is loading really slowly. And if you have a site that you've tried everything, it just loads really slowly, and maybe you're losing visitors and you're losing even rankings, because Google will actually penalize your rankings if your site isn't loading quickly. You could just, all you do with this, you install the software into your WordPress site, you profile your blog with it, and then you can auto fix most of the issues to make your site instantly faster. So it's a very simple thing. It's not like it's one of those crazy make money online offers that we've seen lately, but it's just one of those things that's a nice quick fix for your website. They have things like web connectivity tests, live hosting tests, live theme plugin test, auto GFX optimizing, database scrubbing, all these different things you can actually test and find out why your friggin' site is going so slowly. You've got the single site license, the agency, and the 25 site license. Each of them, they're not going to be super expensive. I don't know exactly what the prices are, as they're not listed right here, but they're not going to be super expensive here for this. With the agency, you can use it on your own site. You can even put it on client sites. So it's up to you how you want to do that. So these, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back and show you the OTOs.
Pop the URL for the site that you want to test in the URL field and click on the Start Test field. And once it's finished, we just scroll down the page a bit so we can see our full results. And as you can see, we've got a total load time of just under 5 seconds. So it's not horrendous, but it certainly could do with being quicker. Surveys have been done that show that a load speed of more than 3 seconds can easily end up with you losing around half your visitors before they even get to engage with your site. So we really want to cut that time down as much as we can. So let's pop back to WP Profiler and run through how this can speed up our site. Now, the Site Speed Profiler itself is the fun part. It's the graphical representation of what's slowing your site down. However, we're going to save that to last. We're going to go through the more standard bits first. They're very, very quick. The first is we need to optimize the database. Basically, over time, your WordPress databases get bloated and messy and they need tidying up. It's a very quick and easy process. However, for instance, here we can see that there are problems found. All we need to do is click on the button to perform the database optimization and click on OK. Now, this kind of thing happens more and more as your site gets bigger and older and there's more content. So all you need to do is pop into here now and then to see if there are any problems found, click on the button and let WP Profiler run to complete the optimization for you. It is a very, very quick process. As you can see, there we go. We are done with the database optimization. So that's the first step of keeping our site nice and healthy done, and it took just moments. The next is specifically for speed, and we're going to look at optimizing the images that we've got uploaded to our site. Large unoptimized images is one of the biggest and most common speed problems on websites, and it's something that can be solved automatically with WP Profiler. Simply click on the developer dashboard link down the bottom here. This will take you to TinyPNG where you can register for your free API key. This gives you up to 500 image optimizations per month, and if you need more, there are paid options available, but the free version will give you 500, which is more than enough for most people's needs. Once you've got your API key, pop it in here and activate the image optimization. After you've done so, any new images you add to your blog from here on will be optimized automatically for you when you upload them. However, that doesn't deal with any existing images already on your site, so that's what the bulk optimize images option is for, so let's look at that next. Now this simply lets you go through and optimize all your old images in batches. And I'm just going to run a batch of 10 so that you can see that it is pretty quick to run and done. Now that was around 15 seconds, I think. It takes roughly a second to a second and a half per image, so you can see how long it's going to take to run through all your existing images. Okay, so as you can see, I finished optimizing the images on this site and we've got an improvement of over 34%. Now this particular site isn't image heavy. It doesn't have a lot of images to start with and they're not very big. Usually on client sites, we find much larger images and the optimization savings can be significant, usually in the range of 70 to 80% or more. Okay, so that's our images taken care of. Let's head back to the site speed profiler itself and run this so you can see what might be slowing our site down. Okay, so I'm just going to click on start profiling and confirm that I want it to run. And once the pages are refreshed, you'll end up on this results page where you can see exactly what's going on. Now this is the core of WP Profiler and it gives us a graphical view of how long each aspect of our site takes to load up, from the core WordPress files to the theme to all the individual plugins, which is where it gets interesting. Being able to identify exactly which plugin is hogging all your site resources and killing your page load speed with WP Profiler takes just moments, as you saw. To do it manually, you'd need to go through each plugin, deactivating and reactivating them one by one to work out which plugin, or indeed plugins, it could be more than one, is at fault. With WP Profiler, you can see straight away. And in this case, the big culprit is looking like WordFence Security and iThemes Security Pro. Now, WordFence and iThemes Security Pro are both security plugins, and obviously we want to keep our blog secure. However, there is another plugin which will do the same for me, and it loads a lot quicker. So I could then remove both of these plugins, saving a second of load speed, cutting the plugin load speed by half, which will have a pretty massive effect on the page load speeds I get for my site. Now you will notice that WP Profiler is appearing third on that speed list. That's because it is having to run and use resources to create this profile itself as the page loads up. That obviously doesn't happen when normal visitors are hitting your site, so it doesn't actually impact your site speed. Now let's just open up a new version of Pingdom, pop our domain in there again and click on start test. And as you can see, our site performance grade has now gone up to A with a score of 92 and our load time has gone down to 1.46 seconds. That's 3 seconds faster than previously and well under the 3-second golden threshold. We're going to be keeping our visitors on our site without losing them, and this is all thanks to being able to tweak and fix our site really quickly with WP Profiler.
Okay, so we're back. So this is the first upgrade you're going to see. This is a way of having your links be smart links so that you're not losing your traffic to it by, like, if you're using like ugly links, if you're doing affiliate marketing and stuff, you can make it so that your links look really nice. And you're not going to be losing any sales to that. So this is the first upgrade. And then they've got another one here. It looks like I just saw 2 upgrades as far as I know. They've got another one here, which is going to give you a smart advantage here for as well. So it looks like they've got a Smart Links Pro that's going to have some more extra features in here. But yeah, that's the OTOs. They're completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about WP Profiler and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about this, if you do not have a WordPress website, then this isn't for you. This is a WordPress plugin, so you need to have a WordPress website. What do I like about this? That being said, most people run their sites on WordPress now. So if you want to make your site faster, you've noticed that it's running a little bit slowly, then you want to figure out why it's doing that. You want to make sure that you're not losing any traffic or sales, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my WP Profiler review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out on the YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.